I want to pass on the second message of Eid today. So what is the first message? The first message is continuity of worshipping. The way we used to worship in the month of Ramadan, we should continue. We should worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should recite the Quran. We should give charity, not only in the month of Ramadan, but also the rest of the 11 months. So this is the first message of Eid. Be firm, stay firm in worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Second message is how differently Muslims are celebrating Eid in different countries. We are safe, alhamdulillah, we are secure in UK. In England, we are safe. But look around, look at the people of Gaza, Palestine, Kashmir, Burma, Syria, Iraq, Yemen, Lebanon. Look at that. They are not secure. They're going through hardships, difficult times. They are oppressed. They are insulted. They're tortured. They're killed. Why Muslims are humiliated? Why Muslims are insulted, dishonored, disrespected all over the world? What is the reason? The reason is we are not sincere with our religion. We are not sincere with our deen. We are far away from Quran, the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are far away from our religion. Outer look, you can observe, you can see, we are Muslims. Inner self, just only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows. We are the readers of the same kalima. We read La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, the same kalima that the companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to recite. But we are dishonored, we are disrespected. We have no values now in this time. But Sahaba, the companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they were the most respected people at that time. Why? Because the companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they were sincere with deen. They were sincere with the message of Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They were loyal. They were sincere to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They really loved Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, not only in words, but practically they proved it, that they love Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Nowadays, no doubt, in slogans, alhamdulillah, we are Ashiq Rasul as well. But action speaks louder than the words. So what is the key to become a highly respected ummah again? What is the key to be united ummah? The key is love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the love of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. To build a house, you need bricks, cement, sand, concrete. To make a table, you need wood and tools. Likewise, to make a united ummah, you need the love of Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. To join two bricks, what we need? I need your attention, please. To join two bricks, what we need? We need cement. To join two woods, what we need?
Wood and tools.
The nail, the woods. To join two pieces of clothes, what we need? Thread and needle. To join the two hearts, the hearts of two Muslims, what we need? We need the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the love of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The Sahaba, the companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the time of Kufr, they were the worst enemies of each other. They used to kill each other. But after accepting Islam, after accepting the message of Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they used to love each other like brothers, like real brothers. So if you want to be united again, then not only in words, but practically you have to show that you love Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If you love Allah and His Rasul, automatically you will act upon the teachings of Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You will love your Muslim brother. Why? Because Allah loves those people, they love each other. من أحب لله وأبغض لله وأعطى لله ومنع لله فقد استكمل الإيمان. Your iman will be completed if you love your Muslim brother. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى أكون أحب إليه من والده وولده والناس أجمعين. Your iman, your faith will not be completed unless you love me more than anybody else. So if you love Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam, then you will get again that level of respect and honor that the way Sahaba Kiram radiallahu ta'ala anhum got. If you follow the footsteps of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will love you.